Hello YouTube, I hope you're doing well. The other day I uploaded a video showing how students could share their project work on code.org. A few of my students had an issue though, and they weren't able to share their work. I'll go ahead and share the error that popped up on their screen so you can see that. It's just a quick photo that I took. The problem was they weren't given sharing permissions to share their work. I don't know why. And it said that the teacher had to give the students the ability to do so. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this. I'm on the code.org homepage. I'm going to scroll down to my section. I'm going to click the settings icon right over here. And then I'm going to select Manage Students. On this screen here at the top, I want to click the settings icon next to sharing. And then I'm going to select Enable All. And then it will select all of those students. For some reason, you don't want a specific student to have sharing ability. All you would need to do is uncheck that box, and they give you that save to the right of that student. But if you want to make that change to all of your students after you've done that, go ahead and click Save All. And once you do that, your students will have the ability to share their work with their partner.